Well, in this house, only my two elderly parents are staying here, but in terms of safety for the elderly, it's very good. Well, the reason we chose this chairlift is because it's monorail and it looks very slick, and in terms of aesthetic, it's nice. And also it jives with the house, and the color itself also jives with the house. So that's why we chose it. It's very important because my two parents are in the 90s. So for them, if the ride is safe and smooth and very silent, and it will be very comfortable for them and safe for me, safe for them to go up and down the stairs. I would strongly recommend it because it's number one, aesthetically it's very nice. Number two, it's very safe. And it's monorail, so it looks very nice and slick up the staircase. I'm very impressed when they installed it because they really actually custom made it, the monorail, to suit the staircase of the house. So the after-sales service is very good and very reliable.